So that's it guys for my Lazada haul. These are the things that I bought from Lazada Sale 11/11. Please do like this video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the notification. Hi guys! Welcome again to another video, and today's video, I'll be showing to you the things na nabudol ako with Lazada's 11/11. So, recently guys, we're doing the construction with my house, and I'll show you the video here, a little walkthrough, dire na lang. So, yun siya guys. The things that I bought in Lazada are particularly more on mga things that I need in the house. So, because recently, nagkaroon ng Lazada's 11/11 and I decided to buy some of the things that I need in the house there. And also because Limino is so good in the commercial.
Are you ready for Lazada's 11/11?
Okay, guys, so these are the things that I bought from Lazada. I think this is all the items that I bought. Actually, it's 1, 2, 3, 4. It's five of them, and then I really don't know why I reached 5 digits buying this item. So I will be showing you, I'll be unboxing some of the things, because some of the what I bought naka-wrap pa siya, ang iba naka-bubble wrap lang. So we can already see the things like this one. Ay, hindi makita. Yan. This one. So I'll be showing to you the things that I bought in Lazada, because I've seen a lot of vloggers also doing this one. So I want also to share to you guys the things that I bought in Lazada, because for the things that I need in my house. So I need some assistance. So let me ask for the mahiwagang cutter. Tcharan! Thank you. First item that I'll be showing to you, because this one, na-open ko kaagad siya the moment na na-receive ko yung item. Kasi though naka-bubble wrap siya when it arrived, but I'm curious kung I'm looking after where is the pole. Because this one is a tawag nila, scratch cleaning mop. For cleaning yan. Supposed to be, I was thinking to buy yung twister mop, and also this one. But when I went to Singapore, I saw yung sa hotel na tinirahan ko, yung housekeeper, she used this one, and parang mas maganda siya tingnan. And also hindi siya sobrang laki, and ayun, parang yan yung when the house cleaner did the cleaning, yun siya parang mas malinis. So yun nga, hinanap ko yung pole na sa loob. So little unboxing din pala to. Paano to i-open? Hindi ko ma-open. I forgot how to open this one. Ha? Ano ba yan? Sayang naman yung mga gym natin, pero hindi tayo maka-open. So, ito yung map. This is, ito yung pole. And this is the map. So, mas efficient kasi siya because there are two compartments. The two compartments na may na ganyan. The other one is for yung may sabon. So, parang ganyan lang siya sa loob. And then the other one is kapag i-dry mo na siya. So, this is for the first item. So, kasi yung house namin is naka-tile siya, first floor and second floor. So, better to have this kind of map. So, I'll be showing to you baka later on another video how I use this one when I clean the house. Okay, that's for the first item. Another one is, ito, steam iron. Open muna natin. You might be asking guys, but actually I'm shooting the video here sa office because all of the items that I bought in Lazada, I intended na intentionally pinadala ko dito sa office because I cannot really bring this sa house because they're still doing the construction. So ayaw ko din naman na parang masira and baka mawala din doon. So this one, for the second item na binili ko, is this one is the Imaflex steam iron. So I was deciding if I'll be going for yung regular na iron or yung parang may stand nga na steam iron. So when I'm looking some reviews and actually this is the first time that I'll be using this kind of steam iron. Yes po, nagpa-plancha po ako. I'm also doing my laundry. So, yan siya. So, better siya because kapag sa mga kunot-kunot and yun, with your polos and long sleeve, so may steam na siya, so mas straighten na siya. Yan siya. It's ceramic sole plate. So, hindi magdikit. So, because I also have that kind of problem if I'm ironing my clothes, yung mga burnt marks, meron. So, I decided to have this one. Ipupush lang yung smokes, parang steam. Yan siya. So, this one, actually everything that I bought is for the house preparation. Some other stuff binili ko sa SM and Mandawi Foam. Later, I might show you also those videos. Okay. Anong next item na nabudol? Ito muna kasi naka-bubble wrap lang. The next one is 7 pieces cookware set from Royal Mark. This one. Open muna natin. Display. Open natin with the bubble wrap. I'm not really sure kung tama yung binili ko kasi I really don't have any ideas kung if it's a good quality or what. But I just look at yung mga reviews and maganda naman lahat ng mga reviews doon. Kasi there are some cook set na nabibili sa Lazada na yung mga handles na nagme-melt daw kaagad. But this one, based on those reviews that I saw dun sa Lazada, maganda daw hindi daw nabe-burn. So, yeah, you can also buy this sa SM siguro, but I decided to buy it in Lazada kasi much cheaper. And then, hindi naman ako nagluluto. So, it's 7 pieces. Bakit 7 pieces? You need to assemble yung hawakan ng takip. This one. Assemble mo yan. Ang 7 pieces. 1, 2, yeah, 3. 7 pieces cook set. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7 pieces, including takip. That's for the third item. Kaldero. Sorry guys, hindi ko nagaluto. Kanila akong nailhan. Kay how'd ko magprito. Frying pan. Yan siya. Those are the 7 items ng yung cook set. Non-stick daw. Non-stick, di ba? Non-stick, comfort handles, and glass lid. Yan siya. So, I go after with the, ang pinaka-importante sa akin is non-stick kasi I'm trying not to use mga mantika when mag-fry. Yun siya. Diet daw kunuhay, atik-atik good. Pakilid sana ako guys. Daghan kayo siya. Let's go for this one first. Because this one, medyo surprise. I really don't know kung anong laman nito. Kasi may order din ako na hindi pa dumating, I think only 2 items. For the next item, let's open this one. So, everything talaga for the house yung mga items. So, legit guys, Lazada. 2 items siya. Yung wrap. So, may 2 items. So, open muna natin itong small one. So, this one is plastic seal cover food storage. Yung pang microwave. So, naka-bubble wrap. Yes. Ayun. Actually, yung cover siya or lid sa every time you put kapag may initin ka sa microwave. Actually, wala man tayo plate. So, for example, kung ito yung plate, this is what you will be i-cover mo yun sa plate and then you put it in sa microwave. So, ang purpose nito is para hindi magtalsik inside the microwave yung ininit mo sa microwave. So, yan siya. This is the purpose of the lid. So, ma-microwave siya. Okay. Still the same. Mayroon kaming microwave sa bahay. And next item, this one. Let's see. Parang feeling ko alam ko na to kung ano to. Yun. This one guys. So this one is actually yay. Ayun. So this one is actually a bidet. Ayan siya. Yes, bidet siya. Wait lang. Cover. Wala may picture. Pero this one, you'll be placing this seat cover mo sa toilet on top of the seat cover, and then may attachment for the hose na napupoint siya doon sa alam mo na. That's the purpose of this one. So actually there are 2 bidets sa bathroom, because for this one is yung intended lang talaga for sa pupo, but the other one is intended for cleaning. So yan siya. There are 3 of these because tatlo yung CR sa house. Yan siya. I don't know how to assemble, may manual naman, but I will show you guys kung how it works. So magpa-flash sa house. And for the last item, this one, I think this one's the only different item that I bought. Sound effects. Shh. Mimi, yeah. Wait. Yan. So, na-open na siya. Actually, this one is different. Okay, career naman ako ng YouTube. I actually bought a soft box. This one is yung soft box. Wait lang akong igawas at nanan guys Yun. This one is actually a soft box para sa when we do our vlogging, because currently right now we just have a ring light and then flood lamp. So ito yon, the purpose of this, so that we can have better video quality and lightings. So 4 bulbs na yan siya, tapos na adjust din yung sa likod yung color. So I still haven't tested this one kasi kaka-open ko lang. And meron siyang fuse. 2 pair siya, and then meron na siyang stand din. This one. And try natin. Fast forward ang effects. Yan. And then, this one is yung soft box.
Alright.
So that's it guys for this video. These are the things that I brought from Lazada's 11/11. Like this video, hit the subscribe button and ring that notification bell so you get to see all the videos that we are uploading weekly on this channel. So that's it. Bye! See you in the next vlog.